Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So before starting today's video, let me tell you that you will get all the solutions in the Telegram group. The link is given in the description. You will also find the Telegram link in the comment section. So do join it to get the solutions in C++ as well as in Java. So let's start today's video. Today's GFG POTD is about count the elements. So the problem states that they are given two arrays of size n, then q queries in array query, each having a positive integer x, denoting an index of the array A. Okay, so this denotes an index of the array A. Now next is for each query, your task is to find all the elements less than or equals to this in the array B. Okay, so let's start solving this particular question. So we are given with this query array, and this denotes the index of the array A. Okay, so the first element of our query array is 0. Now what is the index? Now this denotes the index of this array A. So what is the element at 0, the index? It is 4. Now next is our 1. The next query element is 1. So what is the element at index 1? It is 1. So 1. Now we need to find the elements that are less than or equals to these elements in array B. So how to solve this particular problem? We will first sort this array and then we will find the upper bound of these elements. Now what is the upper bound? Upper bound returns the element that is greater than the searching number. So the searching number here are these numbers, these elements. And after that we are going to return the index of that greater element. Okay. So let's first sort this array. Let's sort this array B. It will become 1, 3, 7. Now let's find the element that is greater than 4 in this array B. Is our 1 greater than 4? No, it is not. Is our 3 greater than 4? No, it is not. Is our 7 greater than 4? Yes. So we will return the index of this particular element. What is the index? The index of this array starts from 0. So it will be 2. See, the output is 2. Now, what is our next query? It is 1. So is 1 greater than 1? No, it is equals to 1. It is not greater than 1. So we will not consider this. Next is 3. Is 3 greater than 1? Yes, it is greater than 1. So return the index of this. The index of 3 is 1. So this. Now let's move to the next test case. That is this one. So let's find out the array elements at query 0. The element is 1 at query 1. Our element is what? It is again 1 at query 2. The element is 5 at query 3. The element is 5. Now let's sort this array B. So it's already sorted 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let's find out for this. We are going to first search this element. So is 0 greater than 1? No, it is not. Is my 1 greater than 1? No, it is not. Is my 2 greater than 1? Yes, it is. So just return the index. What is the index? It is 2. So the output is 2. Now let's search for this. Is 0 greater than 1? No. Is my 1 greater than 1? No. Is my 2 greater than 1? Yes. So return the index. It is 2 again. So the output is 2. Now for this element, that is 5. Is my 0 greater than 5? No, it is not. Is my 1 greater than 5? No, it is not. Is my 2 greater than 5? No, it is not. Is my 3 greater than 5? No, it is not. So what it will do? It will just return the size of the array, and the size of the array is 4. Now, is my 0 greater than 5? No. Is my 1 greater than 5? No. Is my 2 greater than 5? No. Is my 3 greater than 5? No. Is okay, so there are no other elements, so it will return the size, that is 4. So in this way you can see that it is calculating, it is actually counting all the elements that are lesser than these elements, right? So now let's implement this particular problem. So let's code this. Sort, then we will sort this B. array. Okay, p dot end for int I equals so 0 q I plus plus. Then just count the upper bound and what the search element, that is our query I, right? And this will maintain our index. At last, push the count and then return the answer. Now let's compile and run. Okay. Oh, ans dot push back. Okay, so we are getting correct output. Now let's submit. Okay, the problem solved successfully. So let's end the video here. But before that, do subscribe the channel to get similar content, as gaining a subscriber and a like in my videos does motivates me a lot to be consistent and create such content. So do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys again tomorrow.